Hey guys, instead of doing a live event, I decided just to jump on real quick. I'm in the middle of recording and it just seemed like it was going to be easier. I'm setting and doing the layup for our next series, or next month, which is Ayurveda. And it's going to be pretty intense. We're all going to have to kind of actively be involved, but I thought I wanted to just set it up for you. You hopefully by now you've watched the video. This is just a layup for class. It's going to be set in stadium seating because I'm actually going to be going through this beautiful pamphlet that I've created for you. So you're each going to walk home. You're going to answer some awesome questions. It's literally going to profile your dosha. What time should I be getting up? What's the best food? What's the best oils? We're going to answer all these questions in class. So I'm really excited to bring this work to you. As you know, Jessica did the interview. It's really her 30 days. This system is so complex. I love this system because it's truly all about self-love and self-healing and taking care of yourself. You're going to learn so much about this. I first off need to know if you're going to be at class, okay? And then you probably saw that post where I posted like a calendar. So let me explain that real quick. We're going to be each week on that Monday. There's 4 weeks because we're starting a week later, right? That Monday you're going to come in for class. The next day I'm going to post, or actually that day before class, I'm going to post we're going to start with Vata. It's a whole pamphlet. I can email it to you or I can put it right on Facebook. You tell me how you would like that. I want you each to have that. It really breaks down your dosha and beautiful packages designed just for you with the information you're getting at class. It'll be perfect. That's my part to each Monday that'll go out. On Tuesday, the person assigned, and you'll get these assignments in class, will be posting herbs, Christine, and remedies, right? So you can literally look up online, herbs and remedies for Vata dosha, and you'll get some cut, copy, and paste and put it on our website. I want to keep us all involved in our own knowledge and contributing as a whole group. Do you agree? Okay. So that's Tuesday. Wednesdays, you're going to be posting about your dosha, a small yoga practice for that dosha. And everything we're doing is balancing that dosha. If you can't tell right now, I'm going in for more tests for my thyroid. My thyroid is completely out of balance. I need a hormone. I'm tired. I'm not having the greatest experience right now, communicating too much. I'm having issues, so I'm trying to bring that back into balance, right? We're going to be doing that for our dosha, so you'll uncover what's out of balance, and we'll be working with you to restore that for yourself, okay? Stay with me. Yoga, we're going to be doing 50-minute meditations. You're going to know what day you have to post that, and foods for the dosha. So each week there will be we'll be changing out. Week 1 will be Vata, week 2 will be Pitta, and week 3 will be Kapha. You'll all be involved and contributing right here on Facebook. I just didn't want you to be overwhelmed, okay? So the last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly go through some words that that'll help you, a little bit more information. Most of them you already know, but it's going to go fast. Are you ready? Ayurveda literally means your life, okay? Life knowledge, your life science, okay? Abhyanga is the oil that you're going to learn and you're going to be doing for yourself. Agni, that word always gets me. The Agni fire in your belly. Everything for Ayurveda starts in your digestive tract. And so a healthy Agni is what we're going to be looking to do and restore and get in balance. We're going to be talking a lot more about that, but just so you know the word, agony, fire, digestion. Let's keep going. You're going to hear the word quite often, constitution. What is a constitution? It literally is, in Ayurveda, everybody has the 3 doshas, as we know, Pitta, Kapha, Vata. Slow down, Jean. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. What percentage? You had to figure that out, right? So your percentage is your constitution. That's the word you need to know. Chakras. Hopefully you know what the chakras are. If you've worked with me, I hope you do. But the elements are in the chakras. So we're going to find out, right? Earth, water, fire, air, ether. Okay, so they all connect to the chakras. More to come on that. dinacharya, probably butchering that word, we learned is our daily practice. You're gonna pick your own daily practice. You're gonna be responsible for doing it. More on that. Doshas, I'm assuming you know what dosha is, but here's what you probably don't know. The doshas, the propensity for disease, the translation for dosha is fault. And so Vata, which I am, and many of you, there's 5 of you that are, 80 side remedies or problems that show up with the Vata. Very hard to keep in balance because we're always moving. Thought that was fascinating. Pitta, you have it half as bad, right? Only 40, and these aren't, I heard this on a podcast, the light bulb went off when I heard it. 40 could be problems can happen when you're Pitta, okay? And guess what, Kapha, you healthy people, only 20. So your dosha, back to that. That's what the word dosha stands for, the propensity for disease. So it's important you know that. Ojas, you'll hear that in class. It is truly just trying to find that beautiful state. It's what we're all trying to do when we're being completely balanced, is a healthy ojas. It's calm, patient, in the moment, present. You'll hear that. Prakruti, hopefully you know what that is. Pra means original and Kruti means creation. So that's the one that you're absolutely born with, as she mentioned in the video. Prana, hopefully you know what that is, our life force, air, our energy, okay? And Prakruti was the last one, and that was after creation. So Va, meaning after. Kruti, as I just said, creation, and that's the one that can change. So yes, our doshas can change. And yes, they can be in balance. That's what I have. That's for class. Hopefully I didn't overwhelm you. I wanted to just do a nice little layup. It took us to the Buddhist series last year. It took us to the end to really be contributing. I just really want to thank everybody for really being a sponge in the series and taking an active part in your work. Love you all. Bye, guys. See you Monday night. It's coming up. Yes, I know. I'm ahead of myself. Bye now. Extra credit. Who can tell me what pacifying the doshas mean? First one gets extra credit. See ya.